Hi guys, hope all are doing great, and this is Satish. In today's video, I'm going to present two back-to-back videos which will be a certification course which institute is currently conducting for the members as well as the students, remember. Okay, so the first video is on the certificate course on filing of returns. Okay, so I would like to mention to you guys, so since I know you guys are doing CMA course, I also would suggest many of my students to do one at least any areas of their interest to do one certification course. So that I will present this information to you guys, so that at least along with your CMA course you will be also eligible to work as an tax consultant in case if you are having certification courses from an institute like ICMAI. Yeah, so in case if you are working and doing CMA course, I would not suggest these courses to you guys. In case if you have time, if you have interest, you can plan. But however, so if in case if you are a student completely doing your CMA course along with your +1 +2 or your graduation, I would suggest you guys to take up this course, because the reason is, in case if you have a certification from the institute like ICMAI, so that will add a lot of weightage to your practice in the future, in case if you are planning to enter into your tax consultant practice or a audit practice or whatever it is. Okay, so along with your CMA course, in case if you are qualified, or in case if you are certified in your any of the courses which ICMA is conducting, so it will be a great added advantage. You can take up many of the clients to do their tax filing and all other stuffs which you will be actually doing in case if you have completed your CMA and if you become a member along with your practicing things. So you can plan accordingly. So that is what is the suggestion I wanted to give to you guys. So in the today's topic, I already mentioned, we'll be talking about the certificate course which is conducted by the ICMAI on filing of returns. Yeah, let's see what is the returns and what are the details associated with this certification course. Yeah, so this is for the qualified cost and management accountants. This is for the people who have done the commerce, that is commerce courses like BCom, bachelor's in commerce, master's in commerce. Also this will be helpful for the tax practitioners. So students either who are CMA or CMA not qualified students also can pursue this certification course. Yeah, so the course details along with the fee structure is been given on this slide. So this is the 30 hours course. Okay, so you'll be also having the assessment, which is an online mode examination which will be conducted by the institute. Okay, so you can register before the deadline which institute is giving for each of the term. Yeah, so the current term is 31st December 2018 is what the institute has announced, but however you can see a 1 month of extended date to enroll for this certification course. Yeah, so the course fees is 10,000 plus GST. However, you will be having the examination fees of 1,000 plus GST. You can just plan and accordingly enroll for the course. So a certificate will be awarded in case if you have scored 50% of minimum of percentage of marks in your online examination, and study material and model question papers will be provided to all the people who have enrolled for the certification course. Okay, remember, and one of the important which I love to tell you to you guys is that you'll be having a lot of experienced people from industry or from the practice will be coming and explaining to you guys about the people who will be coming and taking the session for you guys. So you'll be having a lot of experience rather than only concentrating on the certification. Interact with them, learn more than what has been given to you guys. Yeah. So the details of the courses are like this. So provision of Income Tax Act for filing of income tax returns. So this includes all the income tax filing, a detailed discussion on respective forms and rules, understanding IT platform and infrastructure for filing income tax, that is your online. So you will be also discussing about the online and offline return filing tools and utilities, practical application demo of filing and filing of income tax return for individuals. You also will be discussing about the partnership business, schools, colleges, HUF, company, cooperative societies, etc. So these are the forms which we'll be discussing during this course, which is the ITR 1, ITR 2, 3, 4, followed by 5 and 6. Yeah, so you'll be also given a guide to file the income tax return. Yeah, so you'll also be having a lot of the recent updates related to your tax. Okay, so these are the very basic information which I've just given to you guys. So in the next a video I'll be discussing about the certification course and the tax deducted at source. Yeah, in case if you need more details, you can get in touch with the tax research department with the phone number given here. You will be replied with the complete information at the earliest. Yeah, so this is Satish signing off for the day. See you, check and bye bye.